Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So the Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. The job location is in Mumbai. The last date for submission is July 15, 2020. So these are the important dates. So we can check the post details: management trainee chemical, boiler, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, then engineer chemical, officer marketing, assistant officer marketing, operator trainee chemical, boiler operator and junior fireman grade 2. So these are the educational qualification. For management trainee, first one is management trainee, regular full-time course of 4 years, BE or BTech or BSc, engineering graduating chemical discipline or chemical technology from UGC or AICTE approved institutions. Then the maximum age limit is 25 years old. The next one is engineer chemical. The candidates who are passed BE or BTech or BSc can apply for the job, and the maximum age limit is 35 years old. Officer marketing, science or engineering or agriculture graduation of minimum 3 years or 4 years duration, and full-time UGC recognized post-graduation degree of 2 years duration in one of the following: MBA or MMS can apply for the job, and the maximum age limit, so the candidates who are below 32 years old can apply for the job. An assistant officer, full-time UGC recognized BTech agriculture or agriculture graduation of minimum 4 years old, and the maximum age limit is 28 years old. Then management trainee boiler, the candidates who have 4 years degree in chemical, mechanical or instrumentation or electrical disciplines can apply for the job, and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. Management trainee mechanical, the candidates who possess 4 years degree in mechanical discipline can apply for the job, and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. So the candidates who are below 25 years old can apply for the job. Management trainee electrical, the qualification area for the post is 4 years BE, BTech or BSc engineering graduate degree and electrical discipline, and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. Management trainee instrumentation, the candidates who have 4 years degree in instrumentation discipline can apply for the job, and the maximum age limit is 25 years old. So there is an application fees, non-refundable application fees for management trainee engineer officer category. For the post of these, 1000 rupees will be the application fees, and for workers category 700 rupees will be the application fees. So the candidates can apply for online from 29th June 2020 to 15th July 2020. So the candidates who are interested in this job can apply before 15th July 2020.